Optimizing page settings for custom invoices in Busy. Page settings are a basic and important part of document design. They define the entire layout of the invoice, where you decide how the details will be displayed on the invoice. If page settings are configured correctly, your invoice will not only be visually appealing but will also serve as an organized and effective communication tool for the business. Let's see how page settings can be configured in Busy. First, select the Administration, Configuration, Invoice Document Printing option, and then click on the Advanced menu. Here, click the Add Format button to add a new format. For now, a format has already been added, so select this format. After selecting the format, click on Page Settings. First, you can define how many lines you want to allocate in the header, body, and footer. Then, if you want to consume the entire page, select Yes or leave it as No if not needed. Next, you can select the printing style according to your requirements. If you want to print an outer box on the invoice, select Yes, and if not, leave it as No. If you use a pre-printed header, you can specify how many lines to skip from the top of the page. You can enter the number of lines here that you want to skip from top. Then, if you need to set printer configuration, select Yes and click on Configure to set the configuration according to your requirements. If you want to print the invoice in landscape mode, enable this option. If your invoice is printing on more than one page, select Yes to print the page number. For multi-page invoices, if you only want to print the footer on the last page, select this option as Yes. Similarly, you can enable or disable options according to your needs. If you want to set a password for this format, which will be required for editing, backup, or restore, and also prevent it from being copied, select Yes here and set the password. After entering all the details, click Save button to save the configuration. By configuring these settings, you can customize your invoice printing according to your requirements, ensuring that the printing process is smooth and the results are accurate. To purchase or upgrade Busy, contact your nearest channel partner today or call us at this number. For more interesting updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel.